funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you for watching. Anyways, I was just going to do a little clean with me on this day. We were getting ready to go out of town the next morning, and I still had to clean my bathroom and my dining room, and so I needed to get that done, and I just thought I would share it with you.
But when we're floating up like helium,
on the inside of my sink, I like to use a disinfectant spray. I was using the 7th generation. And then on the outside, I'm using the new Everspring Granite and Stone Cleaner.
sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. The sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. I know.
And now I'm just putting some Lysol toilet bowl cleaner to let that soak for a little while before I scrub out the toilet. And I'm just removing everything from the bathtub so I can clean the bathtub.
But when we're floating up like helium,
I just used a little bit of the Mrs. Meyer's Mint dish soap. It smells so good when you clean your bathtub out with it, and a little brush. Now I'm just using a microfiber cloth to wipe down anything that I scrubbed loose on the tile and on the inside of the bathtub.
you got me feeling.
And now I'm going to clean the mirror with some Method glass cleaner.
Whenever I'm around you, baby, you make me feel so alive.
And after I let the Lysol soak for a little while, I'm going to just clean the toilet out now. And I did clean the outside of the toilet, but I didn't show that part. And now I'm vacuuming before I mop the floors.
Everybody
using the Method Squirt and Mop in the scent Eucalyptus and Mint, and it is the best smell of any cleaning product ever. So this is the finished bathroom. I like to add the spray from J.R. Watkins to the back of the toilet. I think it's aloe scent. And then I light a candle, and I have Bath & Body Works Peach Bellini scented candle. On my grocery haul the other day, I said that I had purchased some of this Murphy's oil soap that my grandmother had always used when I was growing up. So it works really good, and as you can see in this video, you can see how good it cleans the wood.
A pretty picture for the ones that are lost in life. But even dreamers have the power to save a friend. And I know you are afraid that you fail again. You can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the you say you haven't been yourself for a long, long time. Better you reckon it is already on. But even if you open up and it's all pretend, and I know you think it's worth every dime you spend, you can take it to the grave, but it doesn't end with you. In the
And now I'm just using the Caldrea countertop spray in ginger pomelo. It's one of my favorite scents besides sea salt neroli.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head.
that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, again, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will be posting a video next week on our trip this weekend, so please be on the lookout for that.
See